Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to disable automatic hyperlinks in Excel and stop auto-clickable web links. This instantly stops the software from forcefully converting text like email addresses or domain URLs into bright blue underlines, keeping your grid data as clean text that you can click without opening your browser. First, open Microsoft Excel. Look at the top left corner of the interface menu row and click on File. Look at the absolute bottom of the left-hand navigation sidebar panel and click directly on Options. A detailed configuration window will pop up on your screen. Click on the Proofing tab located near the top of the sidebar list. Move your eyes to the very top section layout and click the large button explicitly headed AutoCorrect Options. A secondary properties box will open instantly. Locate and click on the internal tab pane labeled AutoFormat As You Type. Find the specific setting checkbox explicitly labeled Internet and Network Paths with Hyperlinks. Click the tracking box to uncheck it and completely freeze the automatic link conversion engine. Click the OK button at the bottom of the AutoCorrect window, then click OK again on the main configuration panel to lock your choices into the system core. And that's it. Your raw text data entry tracking grid layout is now completely optimized and active. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.